I would take 2 of my subscribers out. See, if you stay in Asaba, you watch my video from Asaba, leave a comment now. Please leave a comment now.
Big pop.
You like this pop so?
Pop.
Okay, yes.
So if I Europe, it makes sense.
This one at the neck. The neck it makes sense. This one at the bounce.
Simply down with it makes sense. Snaps.
I don't like sneakers. Now bound to me, they like. I don't like sneakers. Okay.
What bad is from health?
Okay, yeah. I'll buy for health.
Again.
Oh,
What I don't know. Again. We
even the Lubelo, he could go out like bueno.
yeah, can last now. Like okay, he cool.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, enjoy your hiko. Then you get like the na home.
Yeah, Ohiku.
Or what's it man?
But they don't get the black one.
I have it at home.
Yes.
It's not now.
Okay, biscuits.
I get them I did work first. My wife gave me work.
Hey guys, so we just finished from the mall. We got a couple of things. Now we are heading home. When I get home, I'll probably talk to you. Yeah. Good morning. It's morning or afternoon, whichever one. Okay. This is the next day after yesterday that Hobby and I, went out for some drinks, and afterwards went out for shopping at the mall. So this is the next day, and I'm heading out. I'm going to my store, which I haven't really told you guys much about, but hopefully I will soon. And I'm really trying to put on a nice outfit, but I don't know. See, this pants that I'm wearing, I thought I've learned my lesson, but obviously I haven't learned, because I saw these pants in Asaba here in the market. As a matter of fact, in the market there are two pieces. This is supposed to be a two piece. Look at the top. This is supposed to be the top, and like there are two pieces. You guys, this is not what I requested for. Like, this is not what I asked to be sewn. This was not what I requested for. I asked for a long sleeve. You guys know this type of, this material is a very popular material that mostly are used for two-piece, long sleeve mostly, and pants like this. But guess what? They ended also in a crop top. With this material, she sewed a crop top and turtleneck. In fact, the top is disgusting. I don't know. I should have showed you guys when I wore it. It looked so disgusting. I couldn't cope. I couldn't wear it. Then I came up with this. Let me show you guys the pants of this shirt that I'm wearing. This is the pants. You guys must have seen me wear this outfit. I love this two-piece so much. This is the pants, but I decided to pair the top, the shirt, with this one. I felt like it made sense until I picked up my camera, and right now filming it is not looking good. But when I wore it and look at myself in the mirror, it actually looked nice. It looked nice, but now I don't know. I'm not feeling it anymore from the camera. I don't know. It looks more good, the physical appearance. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna rock it like that. I beg. I am tired. I'm not in the mood for shuffling clothes. I'm not in the mood for racking the wardrobe. I have to do with what I have on. I'm gonna figure out what to do with my hair. I'm not ready for any wig. Let me show you guys what I want to do with this hair. So you guys, this is what I'll be wearing. This is the ponytail. I've had this for a very long time, for over 2 months or even 3 months now. Like, I've had this for a very long time and I've never rocked it. Well, I started rocking it yesterday, but because I want to show you all, after rocking it yesterday, I love this so much and I decided to put it back in the bag, and I just want to show you all how I rocked it. And to think that this is so cheap, look at, I got it for 5,200 naira, and it comes very handy. Like, very handy on the days you don't feel like wearing wig, or you don't feel like going through the hassle of figuring out what to put. Just put this onto your head. I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll definitely bring you along. So you guys, this is what I'll be doing with my hair. I'm really trying to hurry up. Seriously, I'm really trying to hurry up because I have someone waiting for me at the store that I should meet, but I have to look good. I mean, I can't be looking crazy. Can't be looking crazy, so looking good I have to. This is like a mini hairstyle video or hairstyle tutorial. Well, not really hairstyle, but hairstyle, low-key hairstyle tutorial. But it's really a simple thing that anyone can literally figure out. But yeah, whatever. I don't have mirror here. I'm sorry if you guys see me looking here. I need to part my hair in between. Oh my god, this is really stressful. Okay, I need to do this in the mirror. My small mirror that I use whenever I'm braiding my hair is broken. So I'm packing this thing low bun. I'm putting this into a very low bun, a very tight, well, not extremely tight like the ones you get from the salon. Not extremely tight, but fair. Like, yeah, like a very low bun. Let me show you guys. Something like this. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys are seeing that. My hair is already slicked, already retouched. I retouched my hair a few days ago. This is what this thing looks like. This is what it looks like. And it have, oh my god, this thing has kind of this stuff that bands things, and that is what's called. See, I don't even have strength to speak any English now. I'm trying to hurry up, and I'm trying to make this video not to be too long. I don't know how to show you guys this, to be honest. I'll just clip it onto my bone. Like, it has 3 clips. Like 3. Okay, I need to show you guys the clips. so that you guys will feel me. So it has 3 clips, 1 at the top and 2 at the side. So I'll just put the middle clip onto my bun, and then the ones at the side, put it by the side.
I was closing all the blinds just so you could sleep the night through. I was staying by your side just so I knew you were okay. Then I was opening the door just to see if you would walk through. I started painting all the walls just to see if you like the shade.
So easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Like, see how easy this is. Like, in 10 minutes is even too much. In 5 minutes, if not because I'm recording this, like literally under 5 minutes, I can like wear this. I'm so in love with this. This is such a huge, it's a good buy, a very, very good buy that will always come in handy. See how the comb is passing through it. I just love the hair texture. I love this hair texture a lot, this type of hair. And here we go. You can decide to use eco gel. That's if your hair is not sleek, it's not as sleek, then you use blow dryer. You know, after applying your eco gel, you blow dry it. And I don't just want to apply anything. I would have used edge control to lay down my edges, but because I'm making this hair in a few days and I don't want to wash it again, I've already washed this hair, like I retouched it, so in the process it was washed. I don't want to wash the hair again, so I'm not using any edge control. Yeah, I'm not using any edge control. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm not wearing any earrings, and I don't even feel like wearing one because this, my earlobe, I've had earring on it for so long, and it started, you know, having, I don't know what to call it, almost like an injury. And this is what happened. It happened to me a lot as a kid, so I didn't know that I still have this thing in me. When I have earring on for so long, it start getting bad. Yeah, overall, see how this pant, like, what is the meaning of this? Like what is the meaning of this? This part is giving me such a turn off. Okay, should I use turn off? This pant is just so annoying. See what is this in here? This, which is why I couldn't wear the crop top on it, because of all this gather. Most tailor in this life, they are supposed to take them, well, they are sewing machine from them. Most tailors are really doing the work of devil. Yeah, I'm going to use the work of devil. Like, they are really, really doing so bad. But anyways, I'm glowing and I love it because I always glow. I think I'm good like this. And this is me spraying perfume like my darling husband. Like, that man can spray perfume for Africa. Hey, Jesus. He will spray. And I decided to pair it with this, you know, catch you guys later. I need to head out.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, good morning to you all. See, you guys, this babe right here is super excited. Okay. I am so excited though. Like, words can express how happy, how grateful I am feeling right now. Okay, words can express it, even though that I don't look like I get it. Okay, but seriously, every day I'm having this feeling like I am actually God's favorite. Okay. Seriously, I see myself to be, you know, God's favorite daughter, because this God has been doing a lot for me. Like, a lot. By the way, it's been a couple of days after the last clip you guys saw. Like, this is days later, though I've been vlogging, but like, it's entirely a different vlog. I just want to end this vlog in a proper way, and I feel like I should say this now before, yeah, instead of adding it to other vlogs. Like, I mean, okay, you guys, we hit 1 million views on YouTube. Yay! On a very good day, I will, not a very good day, probably very soon, I will take, let's say, like 2 of my subscribers out. It's gonna happen soon. It might even be this Christmas. I might I will take 2 of my subscribers out, you know, soon. Hopefully there will be a giveaway on the channel real soon. Okay, this girl right here is so grateful. I am thankful to God for you all of you that watch my video. Like, we hit 1 million views on YouTube. It's not easy. It's not easy. See, YouTube growth hits different. Take it from me that have had growth on another platform. Okay, yeah, I'm bragging. I'm bragging right now. YouTube growth hits different because I have experienced growth on TikTok. When I mean growth, like, I have over 120 or 130 followers, but I don't feel the same way that I feel about my YouTube growth. I have a video with over 9 million views on TikTok. Just a video, just a single video with over 9 million views on TikTok. Yet I don't feel half the way I feel about my YouTube growth. I don't know if you guys get me. YouTube growth is different though. Even though I have way more followers on TikTok, I have way more views on TikTok, I have way more engagement on TikTok, I have way more likes on TikTok. See, the feeling is different, trust me. The feeling is different. The feeling is absolutely different. See, I am so grateful to God for you all that always, like, I don't know how you guys discover my channel, but I am enjoying it, to be honest. I can't complain. Why would I complain? Who know they like better? I don't know how you guys discover some of my channel overnight and everything has been whatever. Thank you guys so much, my amazing family. You're all that watch my video even without subscribing. You're all that watch my video even without liking. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. We're on our way, like, we're on a road to 2 million views. Okay, we are on a road to 20k subscribers. Okay, so let us get it. And with that being said, I will be definitely having a giveaway soon. Should I just hold on till we hit 20k subscribers? I guess I should, so that the money will be bigger. Yeah, so that it will make more sense. Don't worry, let's just wait till we get to 20k subscribers. Okay, we are almost there, so we're gonna wait till we hit 20k subscribers, and we're gonna be having a giveaway. And I'm gonna take 2 of my subscribers that stays in Asaba. I don't think I have much subscribers that stay in Asaba aside from people that I know. I just wanted people that I don't know. Hopefully, yeah, you guys see, if you stay in Asaba, you watch my video from Asaba, leave a comment now. Please leave a comment now. You watch my video and you base in Asaba, you live in Asaba, leave a comment now. I want to know you all that stays around me. Is that too much to ask? I know it's not too much to ask, so yeah, do that right now. So you guys will come to the end of this video. If you watch to this point, do give me a thumbs up. You all has been so stingy with like. Please release it. It's not gonna take anything from you. Like my video, okay? Like my video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video if you can, and see you in my next one.